Learn English through story. Heavy rain. Listen and repeat loudly after me. Jim and his sister were walking home from school. Jim and his sister were walking home from school. How was school? Jim asked. How was school? Jim asked. It was nice, said Jim's sister. It was nice, said Jim's sister. Her name was Nancy. Her name was Nancy. Nancy was 7. Nancy was 7. She had black hair. She had black hair. Her hair was short and straight. Her hair was short and straight. She also had braces. She also had braces. Jim forgot to bring an umbrella for Nancy. Jim forgot to bring an umbrella for Nancy. Jim and Nancy huddled together under Jim's umbrella. Jim and Nancy huddled together under Jim's umbrella. The rain fell lightly. The rain fell lightly. Let's hurry, Jim said. Let's hurry, Jim said. Jim and Nancy walked faster. Jim and Nancy walked faster. Jim stepped on a puddle. Jim stepped on a puddle. The water splashed. The water splashed. Nancy's pants got wet. Nancy's pants got wet. I'm sorry, Jim said. I'm sorry, Jim said. It's okay, said Nancy. It's okay, said Nancy. It started raining more. It started raining more. They soon arrived home. They soon arrived home. Lightning struck across the sky. Lightning struck across the sky. It sounded loud. It sounded loud. They were safe inside. They were safe inside. Nancy's clothes were wet. Nancy's clothes were wet. She changed her clothes. She changed her clothes. Jim did the same. Jim did the same. Nancy looked out the window. Nancy looked out the window. It was raining hard. It was raining hard. She was glad to be inside. She was glad to be inside. Jim felt the same. Jim felt the same. I will read the story to you, then we will practice together. Jim and his sister were walking home from school. How was school? Jim asked. It was nice, said Jim's sister. Her name was Nancy. Nancy was 7. She had a black hair. Her hair was short and straight. She also had braces. Jim forgot to bring an umbrella for Nancy. Jim and Nancy huddled together under Jim's umbrella. The rain fell lightly. Let's hurry, Jim said. Jim and Nancy walked faster. Jim stepped on a puddle. The water splashed. Nancy's pants got wet. I'm sorry, Jim said. It's okay, said Nancy. It started raining more. They soon arrived home. Lightning struck across the sky. It sounded loud. They were safe inside. Nancy's clothes were wet. She changed her clothes. Jim did the same. Nancy looked out the window. It was raining hard. She was glad to be inside. Jim felt the same. Vocabulary: braces, braces. Huddle, huddle. Hurry, hurry. Lightning, lightning. Load, load. Pants, pants. Puddle, puddle. Splash, splash. Step, step. Stride, stride. Umbrella, wet, wet. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.